before I came to in this PAP course, I attended the Introduction to Software and Hardware course that they did 2 years ago. It was really just entry level introduction stuff, and over here in PAP, we got to do a lot of special events. We went to Tech Mahindra. We were going to make a podcast, but few things didn't make it possible. But we really learned about industry, and we learned industry grade like the theory and stuff. So we learned about the 3D printing, about hardware, and this what all we learned over is enough to make a product which is commercially available in itself. So before this course, I thought I knew a lot, but like coming over here just made me feel so small in the world, and like there's so much that I didn't know. And over here in this course, like I learned so many broad topics. Like the first course we learned about Python, Java, and a few other languages. The second course we learned about hardware, Arduino, ESP boards. The third course we learned about AI and all the theories, CNNs, neural networks, everything. It was very in-depth. In the fourth, we learned about drones and space technology. And now and the projects that we've had are so in-depth. Like in stage 1, we had to create our own data set and then make our own Python script to evaluate the data and create graphs. In the second course, we made our own project, which which Tech Mahindra is now wanting to sponsor and want us to continue our projects. So my team, we made a brain which we control from an ESP, which creates a static internet, and you can control the LEDs inside the brain to make the students or the consumers of the kit to learn about the brain. The second hackathon was the most thrilling and hectic experience I had. So for 2 weeks back to back, I came to 10xTechClub to make the kit, and it was very thrilling and fun. In the third special event, we created a lot of presentations about what all we have learned, what all projects we made. It was we used a few libraries in Python. It was very, very confusing, the third course, because this AI can be so confusing even for adults and industry experts. And the fourth course, we got to play around with the drones, and we got to program drones. It was very in-depth, it was very exhilarating. And in the fourth course right now, we have learned about the ISS and space tech. We made our own other like separate ISS, which gets telemetry data from another company set up in Europe, which gets the data from the ISS about its position, about the crew, about the visiting extra vehicle activities, all the docks, all the other like vehicles, the cargo vehicles that are gone, the Cygnus and SpaceX Dragon 1. What all we've made here is comparable, and it's good enough to be called in like an expert on this. The other students in my school, I feel they feel so jealous that I get to do this. And so like before I came over here, I don't imagine what my life could be, but it's way better now that I've done this.